out, you caught me staring at your back, made some excuses, then I left, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, so it's Abby Jane. It's already June 20 and pupunta kaming AUP today to get my regalia and the toga. So I will be the one who will be driving. Tapos yan, kasama ko sina mommy at daddy. Tapos ayun, yun lang naman ang agenda today. Pupunta lang dun talaga to get the regalia. And then ayun, uwi na. Ay, diretso muna pala kami sa Ibaan. Gawa nung tadaan kami sa farm. So ayun. Mga graduating na po. Graduating daw. Magandang. Ang blooming.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. They don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only love into dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say when a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
De la Cruz, de Rojas.
Sa luma pala kayo. Diba Dan? Yan ang entrance. Com 6 graduation exercises our room.
all the baby steps you have gone through, God has always been there to assist you. You cried through your grueling examinations, return demonstrations, clinical duties, and you said, I want to quit. How many times did you say that?
Thank you, Mama and Papa.
Thank you, Nanay and Tatay. Thank you for your love and support. Nakagraduate din bukas.
Hi, Mama.
Dohan is amo ka. Comedian program.
And challenges these graduates have faced. Despite all odds, they have continued to support and cheer from the sidelines, eagerly awaiting.
Know that the womb is already purified.
Si Johnson.
Dad, look at him, smile, and
Ayun guys, congrats. Hey, congrats.
Dr. Abigail Jane Rosita Paina. Dr. Mary Grace Villante Pamato.
Online back in 2020 compared to the first time we met each other face to face in 2022. We were so excited to see real people we kept seeing in our numbers. That